Welcome back to Baking Soda Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a bean sprout stir fry. Before that, subscribe to Baking Soda Kitchen for interesting recipes. Did you know that we post our recipes on IGTV as well? You can check them out there. Now here are the ingredients required for today's recipe. We're going to take 1.5 cup of bean sprouts. 1 red chili that I have sliced, 3 cloves of garlic and half an onion. It's very simple ingredients. Now let's get started. In a pan over medium heat, 3 teaspoons of oil. And then we're gonna saute our garlic first. Add the 4 cloves of garlic that we have finely chopped. Saute that until the garlic is cooked. Alright, next up, let's add 1 red chili and our half an onion. Basically, we're going to add everything and saute until everything is well cooked and the onion will be translucent by the time all of it is cooked. Okay, now everything is cooked. Let's add our 1.5 cups of bean sprouts. The important thing with bean sprouts is not to overcook it, so we have to cook it just the right time to have that crunch. Okay, we're gonna cover and simmer this for 5 minutes until the bean sprouts shrink a little bit. Alright, now let's add our seasoning and sauces. First up, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. And then 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. We don't have to add salt to this recipe because soy sauce is salty and there will be more than enough salt in this recipe. But if you need more salt, go ahead and add it. Okay, we're going to cook this down for another 5 minutes until all the flavor is absorbed. Be sure to cook the bean sprouts for just the right amount of time or else you will lose that crunchiness. This is highly crucial. And just like that, our bean sprout stir fry is all done. It's super easy and very delicious. As you can see, it only takes 3 to 4 ingredients, so you can definitely try this out at home, and it's a fast and quick recipe you can whip up for lunch. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.